This is Mama Miche, and today in my magic kitchen, corned beef hash. Are there any meals that you make for the leftovers? I am here for all those meals, especially corned beef hash. And I'm extra. I use everything from the corned beef dinner in the hash. That's right, not just the corned beef, the potatoes, cabbage, carrots, the onions. I chop all that shit up and add it to the saute pan and scramble some eggs. You might be drooling just thinking about it. I grew up eating that canned corned beef hash, the one that looks and smells like dog food until you cook it. Some might say even after. So to say that this elevates the corned beef hash experience is an understatement. You know you want some. Let Mama Miche make your kitchen magic.
Do I have to share it with the kids? What if I don't wanna? Oh, yeah. Alright, I'm not sharing. Hell yeah. This is perfect for any Sunday. Holiday or not holiday. This is the shiznit. Oh my god, that is so good. Let's eat.